The game that we're working on is a 3D physics puzzle game, and it's a game where the story kind of reveals itself to you. The more you play, you start kind of not knowing a lot, and then as you solve the puzzles, you get to know more about the story.
Call me when you're done.
Wait, I didn't get your name.
The game is called Sonata. It's on Steam. Free demo's out right now. We're hoping to release the game hopefully around August over the summer.
The motion capture setup has been instrumental for this. Like, we have a lot of animations in our game, and fully animating everything would take way too long. We wouldn't be able to get it done by the time I graduate. So using this has cut down production time a lot, and facial tracking has been really good as well. Boom.
Being able to have hands-on experience with this equipment and the technology and like the software that's available, that's usually like thousands of hundreds of thousands of dollars, and having it at your fingertips for free is something that like students all around the country will not have experience in. Knowing this full technology and how it works and how it functions and how to use it properly is kind of like a foot that's so far ahead of other people.
It's just so cool to think that we are using the same things that the pros do. It's like, it's probably a bad comparison, but it's like wearing LeBron's shoes. It's like I can be them now. Like there's not much that's separating us. Like, I can make the quality of things that they can.
Junior Tech allows students to follow their passion, and they're not afraid to buy this equipment for students to try out, and I think it's something I love most about this university.